back to my kitchen. My name is Melissa Leroy. I'm a holistic nutritional practitioner currently working with Dr. Joseph Picone at Foothills Wellness Center. We are in still week 11 of the 2017 52-week Eating Healthy Challenge. And this is week 11's snack. And this is one of our protein ball recipes, which Dr. Picone and I have kind of become famous for. Everybody loves the protein balls because they're so easy to make, quick grab and go. So let's get started. So we've already begun here. This is actually one banana mashed in the bowl. So to this, we're going to add 1 cup of almond meal and or almond flour. We're actually using Bob's Red Mill almond meal here. Then we're going to add 1/2 cup of flaxseed. Now pretty much most of all of these I'm going to keep in the freezer. Here in the South, as you know, we have a lot of humidity. And that is not good for any of your grains, seeds, and or flour. Now this protein ball has got a lot of protein. We're using our No Way, which is a golden pea protein powder. It's very easily digestible, men and women. So we're going to use 3 scoops of this. So the protein ratio is really extreme in this one. So we're going to really counteract all of those carbs that are in this. They're good carbs. We are then going to add, the original recipe called for 1 tablespoon of chia seed. However, for those of you who have used chia seeds in your recipes before, when you get through eating, some of them are stuck in your teeth. So instead of that, I'm going to use this chia seed powder. It's still going to gel this protein ball together, make it stick really nicely, but you're not going to have that issue with those chia seeds stuck in your teeth. To that, then, we're going to add 1/2 cup of almond butter. Notice here that we are using freshly ground almond butter. Many grocery stores now offer this in the produce section. You want to stay away from the stuff that is already in the jar because it is heavily processed and sometimes has hidden sugar in it. To this, we're going to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. This is pure vanilla extract. I'm going to make sure to get the organic pure stuff. Set that aside for a second. Then we've got almonds here. So we're going to use 1/4 cup of finely chopped almonds. And then last but not least, we are actually using 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. Unfortunately, I did not have Lily's brand. I would have loved to have used Lily's, and I normally do. Lily's is actually chocolate chips sweetened with stevia. Today we're going to use some carob chips, which are lower in sugar. However, they do have some sugar in them. So what we're going to do here is we're going to get a little exercise going here. We're going to burn some calories while we mix all this together. It does take a little bit to get this mix, so put some, as my mother says, elbow grease into it. I'm using a fork, and it just makes it a little easier to get everything mixed together. Now, if you are still having trouble, if you've gone through this whole entire bowl, I get this question asked a lot. Melissa, my protein balls are just not coming together. They will not stick together. A little bit of water, just a couple of drops, works wonders with protein balls. So just a little tip for you guys out there watching who couldn't join us live today. So as you can see, it is coming together just slowly, but it is coming together. We've got a little bit of it mixed right here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how easy it is then to just get a little piece in your hand. It's going to be a little sticky. We're just going to roll it together and see how nicely that is. You could also, as another option, you could roll this in some unsweetened coconut flakes, and that would be a great addition to this protein ball. Thank you so much for watching. Happy and healthy eating.